All right, going to get the front strut system in, hopefully. Now, I did look at this from Adam video showing me how, and I didn't like the system he used, the one he ordered, because it had these massive clips here. Instead of just that, instead of a nice small bracket to hold this up, he had these massive ones, which when I looked at it and followed his link, but it wasn't for the 4JJ3, and I don't know whether 4JJ3 one is specific to this bracket, but you know, the one he linked to, it certainly worked on it, so I don't know.
You're going to want some Loctite for these bolts just to make sure they don't come off, because there's no fan washers or spring washers on them, and they don't use a nylock nut. So I guess you can go and buy nylock nuts if you want to use them. Otherwise, a bit of Loctite, and that will solve the problem. And then install them, one on each side, and you're ready to then put the brackets onto the bonnet.
And we are connected. Clip both ends on and repeat to the other side. And done. I think I like that a lot better than the other version with the big bracket on it. It's nice and neat and tidy, so that's pretty good. And it just clips into place when you put the little ball joint on over the socket. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of stiffness to it. Beautiful. Open it up. Oh yeah. That's nice. Highly recommend.